This video is not only for first-time buyers, but people that haven't purchased in a while, because you might need a little bit of a refresher, and also for folks that are selling. You need to know who is a good and qualified buyer. I'm Holly French, and here we have a lender, Donna Stewart, who is with
Fairway Independent Mortgage Corporation.
What paperwork do I need to submit if I want to get a loan?
Okay, so the first step is going to be to do an application.
Okay.
And so most all of us today have a link to a site that we can text to their phone, and really most borrowers can just fill it out on their phone. And after that, we're going to need a copy of your driver's license. We're going to need 30 days of pay stubs, 2 years of tax returns.
Okay.
If we're going to need to see your bank statements on where the funds are going to come from. If you've reported assets, just to show assets in your application, we're going to need to see that documentation. I need to see 2 years of W-2s. So those are the very basic things, income and asset documentation.
What if, and we get this all the time, someone is relocating to the coast and they're leaving California and they're moving to Ocean Springs, Mississippi. They have a job, and so how can they qualify for a loan here?
Well, if they have a job,
They haven't started yet, though.
that's okay. If they've got a job, and we can get an offer letter, and that offer letter is going to state how much they're going to make, their start date. It's an offer and it's been accepted. It's got to be signed by both parties.
Okay.
We can take that as proof, and we do verification of employment, and we're good to go.
And that's the same for our military folks, because we live close to Keesler Air Force Base.
Yes, and so those folks are going to have orders here, you know, and so all we need is their orders in order to do the loan. A lot of times, you know, a military person, though, may be being deployed overseas and may need to, their family is going to move here on the coast, and so, you know, that's okay, we can do that. But the main thing is don't move here without a job.
That's right, that's right. I have closed on military folks that he qualified, but he had to deploy out the next day. So she got power of attorney through their title attorney, worked it out, all the paperwork. And she signed for him, and he was gone. But it was worked out. If you have enough time,
Yeah.
it can be done.
We have so many people today that work remote. And so if you work from home or work remote, and as long as your employer will verify that your job's not going to be impacted if you live here, you can do that as well. You'll be fine.